Hello, welcome back to Spider's Web, and it's another unboxing video, and it's one for a silly little game that I decided to buy. But what the heck? It's the 5-second rule. Right, here we are with the 5-second rule. It's a game for 3+ players, ages 10+. As I say, it's just a silly little game. I thought, what the heck, give it a go. I've played it before, I enjoyed it. It's a nice little party game kind of thing, which is one I don't usually play, but I do quite like this one. It's one of these days I'll remember to get everything I need before I start doing these videos. So there we are. Should be easy to name 3 breeds of dog, but can you do it under the pressure? Can you do it under the pressure of 5 seconds, twisting down, and with the other players stirring, waiting for you to get flustered? Time is not on your side, so just say what comes to your mind and risk ridiculous answers slipping out as time twirls down the spiral timer. There are opportunities to duck the question or inflict pain on your opponents by the use of the switch or pass on cards. It's all good fun as players seek to reach the finish first in this fast-paced, frenzied and fun family game. Inside we have 376 question cards, which is 752 questions, 12 pass-on cards, 12 switch cards, 6 playing pawns, 1 playing board, 1 spiral timer and 1 set of rules. So let's have a look inside the box. The rules. Very, very complicated, as you can see. So you place the cards into the card box. All the cards should have the same colour facing the front or draw end. Note that the card box does not hold all the cards, and there are more that can be used when required. Place the card box and the timer in the middle of the table where everyone can reach them. Each player starts at the corner with playing pawn and places it at the start position on the board, and each player is dealt 2 pass-on cards and 2 switch cards. There we are. All the rest of the rules are there. I'm not going through them all. Next we have a board. Let's have a look at this. There we are. It's just a number 5. You start there, you finish there. Ta-ta-ta. That's that. Next we have decks of cards. We have a card box. There we are. So obviously you'll put your cards in the card box like so. And in fact, I'm opening. You've got all these cards. I'm just going to open one deck. I'm not going to open them all. That's what I might do. Take this round to Mother's tomorrow night and see if she fancies a game. Just for a bit of fun. So you put them, as the thing says, in the card box with all the cards facing the same way, and you just draw one. And this one says name 3 words that rhyme with last. On the other side, name 3 US presidents. In fact, let's look at the camera a second. There we are. So camera lowered, we can have a look. Name 3 brands of underwear. Name 3 words ending in est. And then you've got the other side. I'll just turn them around. Name 3 supermodels. Name 3 sports where jumping is involved. Name 3 US presidents, we've had that one. Name 3 words that rhyme with 2. Name 3 excuses for not doing homework. You know, I'm going to put them in the middle. So that's those cards. I'll move them to one side there. And pop them back into the box. We have the coloured pieces, the pawns that we're going to be using for the game. We have traditional look to these. You remember these kind of pawns from games like Frustration, things like that. I think not Frustration. You know, your non-family games. Blue, green, orange, yellow, oops, red and black. They're the pawns that you get with this game. No dice. Put the pawns back. Another set of cards that we have in this. Ooh, are these ones, and these are the switch cards. I'm not opening them because they're all exactly the same. They're the switch cards, and then another deck of cards we have, the pass-on cards, and they both have the 5-second rule back. And finally, the last piece is this piece. This is the timer. There we go. So basically, I'm going to have to raise the camera again, just that little bit. I'll move this out of the way, and what happens is, as you can see, the ball bearings at the bottom of an Archimedes screw. I'm hoping you can see the ball bearings there. Yep. So we'll just let them roll down there, and when it's time to start the game, or when it's time to start a turn, there you go, and by the time the last ball bearing hits the bottom, the time is ended. It takes 5 seconds. Ooh, and there's a little thing inside that makes a funny noise. There we go. Yeah, it's just something so simple. So that is the 5-second rule. I think we may be able to get a game or two of this silliness in some of our games night videos, just for a bit of fun more than anything else. Because, you know, it's not the normal kind of game I would buy or play, but I have played it before with my son-in-law and daughter, and we've enjoyed it. It's been fun. So, you know, it's that kind of atmosphere that you want every now and again, just a fun, silly game to play that you can just switch your brain off and enjoy, and this game does that for you. You know, you've definitely got well, you don't switch your brain off with this one, because you do need your brain for this one, for trying to think of the things that you're requested to think about. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll put everything back, and I'll put the lid back on, and I will say, as always, hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.